Welcome in today's lesson with the Unza graduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in biology paper 1 multiple choice. We are going to look at the question 4 to 7 of the multiple choices. So according to the first question was saying, according to the lock and key hypothesis, which is the lock and which is the key for the enzyme Maltase is what you need. That was the question. So according to the multiple choice, there was a key: A, glucose maltose; B, glucose maltose; C, maltose loku maltose; D, maltose maltose. So now, what you need to understand here, the correct answer here, it is D, maltose and key maltose, then the loku maltose. So what you need to understand is that in the lock and key hypothesis, the enzyme is the lock. So the enzyme is the one which is the lock there, and the subtract is the key. So now, maltase is the enzyme. So that means the enzyme always is the what? That's the lock here. So now, maltose is the what? Maltose is the subtract that fits into maltose. So what you need to understand, a subtract first. I want to explain what is a subtract before we go to the next question. A subtract is the specific substance that an enzyme acts on. So you can, in simple definition, you can just say a subtract is the reactant that fits into an enzyme's active site. So it sits. It's like what it is like. A subtract is the one which acts as now as a key. Then the enzyme is the one which is the lock now. So how it works? The enzyme has an active site, and the substrate fixed in it. So like what I was talking about here. So the reason why others can never be the answer here is that you need to understand this is that like for A, why A is not the answer here is that glucose is the product, not the subtract for maltose. So this glucose is a product, not it's not a what? It's not a subtract for what? Maltose, maltase. So maltase is a lock, but glucose, this is the product. The moment maltose and maltase react, they are going to produce a product, glucose. So A can never be the answer. And the B, maltose is not an enzyme. So this one is not an enzyme. The rock is supposed to be an enzyme. So this one is not an enzyme. So it cannot be what? The lock. So when you go to C, maltase is wrongly placed as the key. So this one is wrongly placed as a key. This one. This is an enzyme. An enzyme is supposed to be a rock, not then this one is the one which was supposed to be, and this one, maltose, is wrongly placed as what? A lock. This one is supposed to be a key. This one is supposed to be what? A lock. So the answer here is D. So now we are going to the question 5. Question 5 was saying, some of the nutrients in sweet potatoes are listed as follows: A, calcium; B, dietary fiber; 3, iron; 4, vitamin C. From the list, which nutrient will help to prevent which named disease in the table? There was anemia, rickets, scurvy. A, it was saying 3, 1, 4. B, it was saying 3, 4, 4. C, it was saying 4, 1, 3. D, it was saying 4, 2, 3. So now, according to this question, the correct answer, like I forgot to say here, the correct answer was supposed to be D. Supposed to be D. Then, so now here the correct answer here is supposed to be A. My pen is not even lighting nice. It's not even lighting. So the answer is supposed to be A. So supposed to be 3. For someone to prevent anemia needs what? Iron. Then rickets is supposed to be 1 calcium. Then scurvy is supposed to be 4 vitamin C. So what you need to understand is that anemia is caused by lack of iron, and rickets is caused by lack of calcium. Then scurvy is caused by lack of vitamin C. So the answer here is supposed to be A. Then question 6. Nitrate ions are important in plants in the formation of A, amino acids, B, ATP, C, fatty acids, D, glucose. So the answer here is A, also amino acids. Suppose I'm just pressing like this. Supposed to be amino acids. So what you need to understand is that nitrates ions provide nitrogen for the plants. Nitrogen is needed to make amino acids. So nitrogen is the one which is needed to make amino acids. Amino acids form proteins. So amino acids is the one which form proteins now. So that's the reason why I say answer. So now, like when you talk about the ATP needs the phosphorus, not nitrate. Then fatty acids made from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. So for D, glucose is made during photosynthesis, not nitrate needed. So this one is made during photosynthesis. So now, let us look at the last question. So the last question was as follows. So the last question was saying, the diagram shows part of a transverse section through a leaf. There was 3, 2, 1, and the question was saying, what are the main functions of the labeled regions? So now, what you need to understand, this region 1, that we call this region 1 as the vascular bundle. It consists of the xylem and the phloem. Then 2 here is a spongy mesophyll. Then 3, it is a parasite mesophyll. So now, what you need to understand here is that this part is for the function is for transport. To transport is to transport. That's a main function is for transportation, the xylem and the phloem. Then this part 3, this third part, the main function is for photosynthesis. This is the main function for photosynthesis. Also this one, but this one is just little photosynthesis, but the main part of photosynthesis is this one. And this one also, it plays a part in what? In the gas exchange. So the answer here is supposed to be C. This one, phloem and xylem is transport. Then this one 2, region 2, gas exchange. Then the main part of photosynthesis is 3. So the answer is supposed to be C. Thank you very much for having time to watch my video. Don't forget to follow my channel. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the Unza graduate teacher is here? Just follow my channel for more biology lesson. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my channel for more biology lessons.